Let us begin. TADA-DADA.
Hello friends, welcome to the TADA-DADA Art Club, and today in this video we're gonna learn about the column design. It's an art form. Column is a form of drawing that is drawn by using rice flour, chalk powder, white rock powder, often using natural colors. So most of the time it gets used by the rice, but this we're gonna learn here just the design form. You should know first the design form, then only you will be able to handle a different medium. This called also a Raangoli. Here we'll start with the basic dots, and I'll explain how we're gonna put these dots. So in the center we're gonna put 5 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So in a vertical line we are putting this 5 dots. Beside them, the same way we're gonna add a 4 dots, but exactly in between of this each dots. So where we start with this 1, 2, 3 and 4. Same we'll do in the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more row we're gonna add, and which will has the 3 dots, which is 1, 2 and 3. Same way on the right side. 1, 2 and 3. So this way we added the dots. In the middle we added 5 dots. Beside that we added 4 dots, and in last row we added 3 dots. Now we'll start with the actual drawing. For that we'll make, if you see this center line, I'm starting from this dot, second number dots. We're gonna make a hexagon. If we join all these dots properly, you will get a shape of hexagon, right? So next we have to extend these lines toward this second number dot. So you add this, extend this line to this. Same way this line we have to extend to this. Again this cross line. So each line we have to extend the outer side. Good. So this is one of the base design is ready. Now going further, if you can see this line, on the same line I'm gonna draw parallel few lines. So I'm adding here 1, 2 and 3 lines. Similarly on the other lines also. So beside all this, each line we added 3 lines. Now is the real fun. So this is your last line. On that you have to start a curve which is half curve joining to these dots. Similarly you can start from here. Same way you can join this with the half curve, then extend this curve. So this way you made a simple design but very interesting design form. You can see it here. To add more design to it, you can draw a circle, few lines, and it's now time to color it. So here is your a very colorful and simple design is ready. You can use this is on your greeting card or any book cover, wherever you can frame it also as a nice frame. So hope you understand the basic things of this column design. I am sure you will practice that at your home and you will share with us. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and share our videos with your friends and families.